The lunchbox landscape is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Three of the internet's biggest names, MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI, have joined forces to launch Lunchly, a new line of ready-to-eat meals aimed squarely at dethroning the reigning champion of convenient lunches, Lunchables. This ambitious venture marks the trio's bold entry into the pre-packaged meal market, leveraging their massive online followings and previous successes in the food and beverage industry to disrupt a lunchtime staple. The announcement, made across their social media platforms to a collective audience of millions, sent shockwaves through the industry. Images of the three internet icons surrounded by stacks of brightly colored Lunchly boxes created a frenzy online, generating buzz and anticipation for the new product. With promises of healthier, tastier, and more exciting lunch options, Lunchly is poised to shake up the status quo and capture the attention of a generation raised on online content and influencer culture. This isn't the first time MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI have dipped their toes into the culinary world. These three internet sensations have a knack for turning their online fame into successful business ventures, particularly in the food and beverage industry. Each boasts a successful track record in the food and beverage industry, demonstrating their entrepreneurial spirit and understanding of consumer trends. Their ventures are not just about capitalizing on their fame, but also about creating products that resonate with their audience. MrBeast, known for his philanthropic stunts and viral challenges, launched MrBeast Burger, a wildly popular virtual restaurant chain, in 2020. The concept was simple yet innovative, a delivery-only restaurant that operates out of existing kitchens, allowing for rapid expansion without the overhead of traditional brick-and-mortar locations. The venture, a testament to his ability to translate online fame into real-world success, quickly gained a cult following, with lines stretching for blocks as fans eagerly awaited a taste of the MrBeast experience. The menu, featuring items like the Beast-style burger and Chandler-style fries, became an instant hit. Logan Paul and KSI, former boxing rivals turned business partners, took the beverage world by storm with their Prime Hydration drink. Their collaboration was unexpected, but proved to be a masterstroke, combining their massive followings and unique marketing strategies. The sports drink, marketed towards their massive Gen Z fan base, became an instant sensation, selling out in stores and online within hours of its release. The drink's appeal lies not just in its flavor and branding, but also in its health-conscious formulation, which includes electrolytes and vitamins. The success of Prime, fueled by clever marketing and the duo's undeniable star power, solidified their status as savvy entrepreneurs, proving their ability to captivate a young audience and drive significant sales. Their marketing campaigns, often featuring viral social media challenges and high-profile endorsements, have kept the brand in the spotlight. As they continue to innovate and expand their culinary empires, MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI show no signs of slowing down. Their ventures are a testament to the power of social media influence and the potential for online personalities to make a significant impact in the business world. Whether it's through new product launches, collaborations, or expanding their existing brands, these influencers are redefining what it means to be an entrepreneur in the digital age. The trio's foray into food and drink is more than just a business venture. It's a cultural phenomenon. Their ability to connect with their audience on a personal level and deliver products that meet their fans' expectations has set a new standard in the industry. As they continue to push boundaries and explore new opportunities, one thing is clear: the culinary world will never be the same. Lunchly is launching with 3 flagship meals, each designed to appeal to a broad range of tastes and preferences. These meals are not just about convenience, they are about bringing a touch of gourmet to everyday lunchboxes. The 3 flagship meals are the Pizza, Turkey Stack M's, and Fiesta Nachos. Each meal has been meticulously crafted to ensure that it not only tastes great, but also provides a balanced nutritional profile. These carefully curated options reflect the brand's commitment to providing familiar yet elevated lunchbox classics. Lunchly aims to redefine what a lunchbox meal can be, combining convenience with quality. The Pizza, a nod to the perennial childhood favorite, features mini crust, sauce, cheese, and pepperoni, allowing for customizable mini pizzas. This meal is perfect for kids who love to get hands-on with their food, making lunchtime both fun and interactive. Turkey Stack M's, a healthier twist on a classic sandwich, includes lean turkey slices, cheddar cheese, and crackers, offering a balanced and protein-packed lunch option. This meal is ideal for those looking for a nutritious yet satisfying option that can keep them energized throughout the day. Fiesta Nachos, inspired by the vibrant flavors of Mexico, come complete with tortilla chips, cheese sauce, and salsa, offering a fun and flavorful alternative to traditional sandwiches. This meal brings a festive touch to lunchtime, making it a favorite for those who enjoy a bit of spice and zest in their meals. What sets Lunchly apart from its competitors, however, is the integration of products from the influencer's other successful ventures. This unique approach not only enhances the appeal of the meals, but also adds an element of surprise and delight for the consumers. The pizza, for instance, features MrBeast Feastables cookies as a sweet treat. These cookies are not just an add-on, they are a carefully selected complement that enhances the overall meal experience. While Turkey Stack M's includes a prime hydration drink pouch. This drink is designed to keep you hydrated and refreshed, perfectly balancing the savory elements of the meal, creating a unique selling proposition and leveraging the brand recognition of their existing product lines. By incorporating these well-known products, Lunchly not only adds value to their meals, but also taps into the loyal fan bases of these influencers, making their lunchboxes a must-have for fans and food enthusiasts alike. Lunchly versus Lunchables, a side-by-side comparison. The arrival of Lunchly inevitably draws comparisons to the reigning king of convenient lunches, Lunchables. While Lunchly's marketing emphasizes healthier and tastier alternatives, a closer look reveals striking similarities between the two brands' offerings. Lunchly's The Pizza echoes Lunchables' various pizza options, while Turkey Stack M's closely resembles Lunchables' turkey and cheddar cracker stacks. Even Fiesta Nachos has a counterpart in Lunchables' cheese and salsa nacho trays. Despite the similarities in product offerings, Lunchly attempts to differentiate itself through its emphasis on healthier ingredients and greater value. The brand's website provides detailed nutritional comparisons between Lunchly and Lunchables meals, highlighting lower calorie, fat, and sodium content in their offerings. Lunchly also claims to offer more food per package at a competitive price point, appealing to budget-conscious parents seeking healthier and more filling lunch options for their children. Whether these claims resonate with consumers and translate into a significant market share shift remains to be seen. Meet the masterminds MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI. These three internet sensations have not only dominated their respective platforms, but have also ventured into various business endeavors, showcasing their versatility and influence in the digital age. Behind the colorful packaging and catchy name of Lunchly stand three of the internet's most recognizable and influential figures. Their combined efforts have brought a fresh and innovative approach to the food industry, blending their unique talents and massive followings to create a brand that resonates with millions. MrBeast, real name Jimmy Donaldson, rose to fame through his elaborate YouTube stunts and philanthropic endeavors. His videos often feature grand challenges and generous giveaways, captivating audiences with his creativity and kindness. Known for giving away large sums of money, cars, and even houses to unsuspecting strangers, Donaldson has cultivated an image of generosity and good-natured fun. His philanthropic efforts extend beyond the screen, with initiatives like Team Trees and Team Seas, which have raised millions for environmental causes. Logan Paul, a former Vine star turned professional boxer and podcast host, has courted controversy throughout his career, but his undeniable charisma and entrepreneurial spirit have kept him in the spotlight. His journey from internet prankster to a serious athlete and businessman is a testament to his adaptability and drive. With over 23 million YouTube subscribers and a successful podcast, Impulsive, Paul has proven his ability to connect with a large and engaged audience. His ventures into boxing have also garnered significant attention, with high-profile matches that draw millions of viewers and generate substantial revenue. KSI, real name Olajide Olatunji, is a British YouTuber and rapper known for his comedic gaming videos and music career. His content ranges from humorous commentary on video games to chart-topping music, showcasing his diverse talents and appeal. With over 40 million YouTube subscribers and a string of hit singles, KSI brings a unique blend of humor, musical talent, and business acumen to the Lunchly venture. His ability to seamlessly transition between different forms of entertainment has made him a beloved figure in the online community and beyond. Together, MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI have combined their strengths to create Lunchly, a brand that reflects their shared vision of innovation and community engagement. Their collaboration is a powerful example of how digital influencers can leverage their platforms to make a tangible impact in the real world. The launch of Lunchly has been met with enthusiasm from fans and consumers alike, eager to support a product backed by their favorite internet personalities. The trio's hands-on approach to product development and marketing ensures that Lunchly not only meets but exceeds the expectations of their diverse audience. Beyond the business, MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI continue to engage with their communities through various charitable initiatives and outreach programs. Their commitment to giving back and making a positive difference is a core value that resonates throughout their work with Lunchly. As they reflect on their journey, MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI remain dedicated to pushing boundaries and exploring new opportunities. Their story is one of perseverance, creativity, and the power of collaboration, inspiring millions to pursue their passions and make a difference in their own unique ways.